How to fix Temu promo code invalid error. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Temu fixes. If you're seeing a promo code invalid error on Temu, don't worry, here are the exact reasons and solutions. First, check the promo code carefully. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes, extra spaces, or wrong characters. Promo codes are case sensitive sometimes. Second, check if the promo code has expired. Many Temu promo codes are time limited and stop working after the expiry date. Third, verify the eligibility rules. Some promo codes are only for new users, first orders, or specific regions. If your account doesn't qualify, the code will show as invalid. Fourth, check the minimum order amount. If your cart total doesn't meet the required amount, the promo code won't apply. Fifth, some promo codes work only on specific products or categories. Remove ineligible items and try again. Sixth, close and reopen the Temu app or update it to the latest version. App glitches can also cause invalid code errors. Pro tip: always read the promo code terms before checkout. Most invalid errors are due to usage limits or eligibility rules, not technical problems. That's it. Now you know how to fix the Temu promo code invalid error step by step. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment fixed below.